Hi, my ravenous chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to slow-braise lamb shanks in the Dutch oven. What I used to prepare this dish was a couple lamb shanks, carrots, a white onion, beef broth, red wine, flour to thicken the gravy, minced garlic, basil, thyme, a bay leaf, and good old salt and pepper. Feel free to switch things up to your liking. This is your meal after all. Make it however you feel. With that said, let's get cooking. Kick things off by heating up olive oil in the Dutch oven and brown the lamb on all sides. It should take about 2 minutes per side. Once browned, remove to a plate and set aside while we get the veg going. Then add the onions and cook until translucent, which should only take about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add the carrots and give them a good stir to incorporate with the onions. Cover the pot with the lid and let the veg cook for a few minutes till soft. Then remove the lid, give it a nice stir, and add the garlic. Mix that around and then rest the shanks on top. Sprinkle some flour on top of the shanks. The flour will cook off a bit, and then this is going to slow braise for quite some time. Pour in the broth, and then pour in the red wine. Now, I would suggest you choose a red wine that you would actually drink, but it doesn't really matter. The alcohol is going to cook out anyway. We're really just trying to capture the flavor profile of the wine itself. Toss in the bay leaves, and then the rest of the herbs, and give everything a good stir to combine so all the flavors can get to know each other before the party gets started. Cover and cook till the meat falls off the bone, which should take about 2 to 3 hours, but be sure to check on it and stir occasionally. This is a tough cut of meat, so it needs to simmer low and slow to reach peak tenderness. But that time is worth it. Once done, the lamb should be tender, fall off the bone, and delicious. Plate and enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!